Hey everyone, we are once again back with an episode of the Lela podcast. I know it's been a while, but good things take time, so we're just happy to be back. And today with me, of course, we have another amazing guest who continues to inspire a lot of people on social media, Instagram personally. Hi Sapna, welcome to the show.
Hi Abhishek, thank you for having me on the show, and it is really a pleasure meeting you live because coming from a social media chit chatting and then on the show, I am really happy. I mean, this is thank you so much. So yeah,
No, no, happy to have you on. Happy to have you on. I'm so glad. And kudos to all that you do online because I know so many people who continue to write into you, congratulating for whatever you do online. Just to give you a quick background to whoever is listening, Sapna Mehti is a social media executive. She's a manager at a BPO. And most importantly, she uses Instagram for all the right reasons, most importantly to inspire others. So thank you Sapna once again. And yes, in case any of you want to get in touch with her, she goes with the handle Pihu Vision. So she's a visionary individual. Am I correct, Sapna?
absolutely yes.
Super, super,
Thank you
super.
for
Right.
introducing me for I mean, in a very beautiful way. I mean that tells everything about me. So yeah,
Super. Okay, Sapna. So we have spoken about this in the past. Uh,
yeah,
so this podcast, of course, is very simple. I try to keep things simple in life because everything else is complicated. But at least a podcast needs to be simple. All right. So we follow
yes,
four instances. All right. It is life, experiences, learning, and amazement. Everything is associated with your life, and however it has impacted you. All right. So very simple, so that you have the most simple of answers to share.
absolutely. I'll try to keep it very simple so that everybody will be able to understand and relate as well. Because that is my motto is whatever I write and talk about, that is completely I have experienced it personally. Yeah.
Fantastic. That's all that we
So
need.
yeah,
So let's go ahead.
yes.
Go ahead. So from a life standpoint, let's start with L. So life in a nutshell for you, the past 20, 30 years, what have you been doing? What has really inspired you? And what has kept you going, most important?
Okay. So when somebody asks about that how life is for me, life has been a very good, I mean, mysteriously roller coaster ride. And I have been, I mean, enjoying all the rides I have come through, and life has become a very biggest teacher for me because and the way you have asked me what has kept me going. So people, situations, and struggles. I'm sure everybody, I mean, are facing some kind of struggles in their life, but it depends how do you, I mean, how you want to proceed, right? So for me, what I think is कि life में ना, whenever you are having some challenges, that challenges come to you to teach you something. And whenever I connect with any challenges or people ना, so I see this way कि अच्छा अगर कुछ negative भी हो रहा है ना, तो that is something I'm trying to learn. Bhagwan or situation is coming to knock me to teach me something. So I better become a good student rather than complaining that why it is me. क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ? No. Thank you God. It is me because I have been one of those chosen बच्चा of yours who is blessed जिसको आप मतलब challenges दे रहे हो और सीखने के लिए. So that is what kept me going because I never afraid of having challenges in life. कभी setback होता है, कभी dark times भी हो जाती है. So I always try to find lights out of those dark tunnels. कहीं तो light होगा. Just keep going. कुछ तो होगा जो सीखना है. So that is how I am dealing with the life every
Fantastic.
day.
So are there, I mean,
Yeah.
in the past 10, 20 years, are there any learnings? Because, I think in the duration that we go through, uh, we we tend to realize, we tend to let go of a lot of learnings that we have. But are there any specific learnings that you'd like to share? The reason I ask you this is because a lot of people have role models, right? But they're not the the inability to use our role model in the right manner, or you depends on he or she. So how can someone use the role model sort of devotion that they have towards them and implement it in their daily life? Whatever you'd like to say.
Okay. So, role model, I would say that I mean, for me, life is my role model because and situations. I don't go and follow any particular person because वो ना change होते रहते हैं. Life is one thing which is constant. आपको सिखाता रहता है. And yes, definitely there are few learnings in my life which actually hit me so hard. I had to change myself, my thought process, and matlab, if I see myself back to 7 to 8 years, I was something completely different person. I was not
Right.
at all a person which you see right now, right? So I never used to love myself. But life में कुछ situations ऐसी हुई है that includes my professional life as well. So I'll tell you there are two major incidents which has happened in my life which actually helped me to change. Starts from my professional life. One, my first interview was in a bank. So that
Okay.
point of time, my interview was so worst that I still remember and I cry sometime. But then मुझे लगता है कि वो एक्चुअली ऐसा हुआ तभी मैं इतना अच्छा कर पा रही हूँ शायद by the grace of God of grace. So my
Yeah.
first interview was one of with manager. उन्होंने मेरे मुंह पे मुझे बोला था कि सपना you can't even speak. You don't know how
What is
to
he
even
saying?
speak.
That is not possible at
Yes.
all.
मतलब उस टाइम पे एक्चुअली इट वाज ट्रुथ एंड भगवान ने मतलब जो गेम खेला ना वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा लर्निंग पॉइंट था बिकॉज जिस मैनेजर ने मुझे रिजेक्ट किया था फर्स्ट राउंड में ही she became my manager later on and she had to hire me on the pretty same day
Oh wow. So
and
that is
3 months.
you came back with a vengeance.
Exactly. I mean, I don't know what happened. I mean, that day, उन्होंने मुझे reject किया. After half an hours of time, I receive a call from that bank कि you have been selected. From tomorrow, you have to join. So bring those documents जो भी requirements होते हैं. I was like, what did you say? I am selected, but how come I'm selected? Because मेरे तो मुंह पे rejection हो गया था.
Correct.
So they were like, you are selected. And 3 months, that manager did not speak to me at all. She was in एंगर मोड की इसको कैसे हायर कर लिया मैंने इसे रिजेक्ट कर लिया इन 3 months आई एक्चुअली प्रूव माई सेल्फ they gave me such a data from where I had to call and that data was a complete dead show.
Oh.
I mean
Okay.
that data was completely churned and from that data I completed my target back to back 3 months. Even I did
Wow.
not get any support from anybody. So that was one professional learning I started with. कि जिंदगी में ना नेवर आई मीन सी एनीबडी कि वो गंदा है या वो कर नहीं सकता एवरीबडी इज स्किल्ड
बिल्कुल.
you only have to
Absolutely.
give an opportunity. Everybody has some skills of everybody is unique. So that is one part in my professional life that I will always remember. And then there is transformation part comes in the picture, which is very interesting. Everybody would definitely want to know and can relate also. So
Yes, please.
I also fall in love with some guy, right? And
Okay.
उस टाइम पे I was completely in love with that guy that I stopped loving myself. मुझे लगा कि नहीं he is the person I should love him. Then
Okay.
after a good number of years, broke up happened. I was completely
Shattered
मतलब
and
एकदम मैं shattered and for almost 5 to 6 months I was not talking to anybody. I was disconnected completely from social media. I was nowhere at all. बिकॉज वो होता है ना कि जब आप शैटर्ड हो जाते हो आप सारे होप्स खो देते हो एंड ऑल दैट तो वहां पे देयर इज अ से दैट इफ यू आर गुड ना यू विल कनेक्ट विद द गुड पीपल ओनली सो देयर
absolutely.
वाज अ फ्रेंड ही वाज माय फ्रेंड्स फ्रेंड he saw my DP from my friend's WhatsApp profile. I don't know
Oh.
what made him think कि यार this is the girl I should work on her. ये इतनी इतनी मोटी सी है इतनी बल्की सी है इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं एंड दैट
Okay.
फ्रेंड जिसके कनेक्शन से वो मुझे मिला वो मेरा फ्रेंड कॉलेज फ्रेंड है तो उसने बोला कि शी इज वेरी रिजिड वो कभी भी अपने लिए कुछ नहीं करती है शी डोंट गो फॉर अ वॉक शी डोंट गो फॉर अ वर्कआउट वी कीप टेलिंग हर कि यार तुम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करो थोड़ा वर्कआउट करो एंड ऑल दैट शी डोंट लिसन टू एनीबॉडी देन मेरे फ्रेंड का जो फ्रेंड था उसने चैलेंज लिया उसने बोला कि गिव मी 1 month she'll do workout and she'll change herself and he
Wow.
after he became my after मतलब he is like कि नहीं मुझे कराना ही है सपना you have to do it उसने मुझे 1 महीने तक बहुत पुश किया एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई हैव स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग मतलब चेंजेस मुझे अच्छा लगने लगा आई स्टार्टेड लविंग बैक टू माई सेल्फ आई एम लाइक नो यार दिस इज नाइस so that is how my personal life became started journey the transformation one. So these are the two major hits I had in my these 30-35 years of journey जिन्होंने मेरी लाइफ प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल दोनों चेंज करी है.
Thank you for sharing that. I mean, not a lot of people have the guts to do that, but I would call this a very gutsy move because not a lot of people want to show the process where transformation has happened. But for you to go through it, for you to pick yourself up, and for you to share all that you've gone through, you need a special little appreciation from my side. I think 2 learnings that all of us can take from this is that never stop believing in yourself, and number 2, transformation is just around the corner. Is that true?
Yes, absolutely. Yes. You just have to believe. And you know what? I mean, whenever you are having some struggles in your life, never give up. Because struggles always knock those doors where they think कि यहाँ से कुछ stronger outcome मिल सकता है. So I always keep telling people that if you have anything which is bothering you, just don't give up. Have patience. Because nothing is going to remain. Even your happiness is also doesn't last for very long. वो भी चला जाता है. तो नेगेटिव भी चला ही जाएगा. तो मेरी लाइफ में मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लोग मिलते रहते हैं जो मुझे कभी कभी नॉक करते रहते हैं कि सपना देयर इज वन मोर न्यू चैलेंज यू आर अबाउट टू हैव. आई एम लाइक ओके ब्रिंग इट ऑन. Let me see what I can learn out of it now. So that is how I keep it going because of course I am also human and when people says कि life में professional life में cope up करना बहुत difficult होता है तो I say them कि cope up होता है लेकिन मेरे जितना difficult I don't know whether anyone has faced it or not because I have worked with such a manager जिसने 3 months मुझसे बिल्कुल बात नहीं करी. उसने मुझसे बिल्कुल भी इंटरेक्ट नहीं करा बट मैंने कभी भी मैं रोती थी आई यूज्ड टू क्राई एंड ऑल बट आई प्रूव्ड माय सेल्फ कि ओके सी दिस इज व्हाट आई कैन डू. आफ्टर 3 months when she came and she applauded for me in front of the entire call center was there. My AVP was there. My AVP was one. She came on the floor and she was like this is the girl we hired just because कि किसी ने रेफरेंस किया था और हम लोग बहुत श्योर थे कि वो 3 महीने में ये चली जाएगी, ये भाग जाएगी बिकॉज हम उसको इतना टॉर्चर करने वाले थे. क्योंकि जिन्होंने और द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज हु हायर्ड मी उन्होंने सिर्फ मेरी आवाज सुनी थी और उन्होंने आवाज सुनकर ही वाज सो कॉन्फिडेंट एंड आई नेवर मेट हिम. अभी तक आई नेवर मेट हिम. इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 17-18 years. आई स्पोक टू हिम ओनली वंस. That's also very interesting story. किसी को मैंने फोन किया था, उन्होंने फोन उठा लिया था, उन्होंने बस 5 मिनट मुझसे बात करी, उन्होंने बोला कि ये लड़की मेरे कॉल सेंटर में मुझे चाहिए बैंक में.
Oh wow! Oh, that's
कैसे भी करके.
You are blessed with that voice which people mesmerized, if I can say.
Maybe मतलब मुझे वही लगा और उन्होंने सिर्फ 5 मिनट बात करके बोला कि this girl I want. And when he got to know that I am rejected, I don't know what sources he utilized to get me in. उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं रिजेक्ट हो गया कोई बात नहीं but I can bet on this girl that she is going to stay and I worked with that bank almost 2.5 years.
Oh wow! Wow, the world works in mysterious ways, huh? The Lord sends his own messiahs.
हाँ every time I go through any problems ना तो मुझे लगता है कि कुछ तो नया आने वाला है. There is somebody is coming into my life. जो मुझे कुछ सिखाने वाला है. So it is interesting.
ठीक अच्छा है. That way you meet new people, you learn more from them and you make great connections. Wow.
Absolutely. That is how I've started calling myself कि मैं तो human library बनती जा रही हूँ because I keep on meeting people. I learn from them.
Oh, nice. Super. Sapna, thank you for sharing that. And not a lot of people would have done it, but really appreciate you sticking the guns out there. But thanks a ton for that. Now, since you have a lot of experience, okay, in terms of in professional wise as well as transformation. Now, a lot of people say that learning generally stops once you reach a certain limit. I know you will differ with that statement. But hence, let me rephrase this question. How do you keep your learning mode on always?
Okay. So this is again going to be very interesting because I am a
Yes.
person who gets bored very easily. मतलब
Okay.
once I think that मुझे लगता है कि okay there is one goal I've already set or I'm doing very good. So now there is something new which I need to explore. So
Correct.
I take challenges for myself. The way मतलब when I was working and professional life is something which is always you have everything to do. I mean on a same scale. कुछ different नहीं होता है. मतलब once you learn your things, daily routine works like that. So since फिर उसके बाद I started writing because I used to write पहले भी, but I never thought of coming to social media platforms. तो मुझे लगा कि why people are doing this. So this can be the new thing which will keep me going. Interesting also लगेगा. So I
Correct.
decided to come and write and blogging and all. So this is one thing. उसके बाद अभी since I am doing it every week, बहुत frequently मैं करती हूँ. So I have taken one more new challenge क्योंकि मेरा जो वर्कआउट का है जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है वो कहीं पे स्टैग्नेंट हो गया है. So now
अच्छा.
what I have started is that I have taken challenges कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं 1 घंटे में इतना कर लेती हूँ. Now I have to do it in 30 minutes. So challenge
Nice.
is what I keep giving to myself. Because मुझे लगता है कि there is no stop in learning. You have
Yep.
to keep learning every time. अगर ये चीज से आप बोर हो गए हो तो find something new. I'm sure you are capable of doing multiple things in your life. Because
That's
life comes with a lot of opportunities. Even
correct.
if you are connecting with people, that is also an opportunity to learn something. So when
Got it.
people say कि अब तो ये सीख लिया है, अब तो कुछ नहीं है, life is boring. How come it is boring? No, life is very beautiful.
Right.
आपको प्रॉब्लम्स चाहिए तो प्रॉब्लम्स भी को बुलाओ ना. प्रॉब्लम्स भी तो आपको चैलेंजेस और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाएंगी. तो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ऐसा भी होता है व्हेन आई टेल टू माय फ्रेंड्स कि यार लाइफ बोरिंग हो गई है, तो उनका एक ही आंसर आता है, अरे सपना ऐसे कैसे, तुम्हारे लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्या? अरे बुलाओ बुलाओ, कनेक्ट विद पीपल, प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी तो मजा आएगा. So
Oh
for
wow.
me, I see problems are also learning, challenges are also learning. You have to challenge yourself also. Sometime when you see that okay सब कुछ तो लाइफ में सही चल रहा है, खुद को
Correct.
दर्द कैसे देना है, start giving pain because once pain is what let you gain in your life. तो पेन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का ले लो, वर्कआउट का ले लो. So for me, my friend taught me this line कि सपना, if you are feeling pain in your life, in whatever ways, that may be
Okay.
while doing workout, that may be somebody is giving you heartbreak ka pain, or office mein somebody is saying something which is not, I mean, good to your, pleasing to your ears, that is also giving you pain. So pain is actually clearing a way to something gain in your life.
Correct.
So I look for pain. मुझे दो जितना मिल सके, मुझे कुछ गेन करना है. So that is how
Wow.
I see in life, and I never give up. It helps me to keep me going in life in every ways.
Fantastic.
Professional में भी, personal में भी, हर जगह पे.
Okay, so that means I think somewhere on a t-shirt you have no pain, no gain, right? You have a t-shirt with
Exactly.
that.
I should have now. I should have it. This is a
Wow,
good idea.
that is nice, Sapna. No pain, no gain, and probably a moniker that you can keep for life. I think that is an adage that we can use forever, no matter which phase of life you are. Splendid on
Absolutely. I mean, in everywhere in life, pain है तो मतलब कुछ तो gain होने वाला है, बाबा. You have to be ready to have some gain in your life.
Yes,
So that is how. मतलब,
for that, a special salute to you.
thank you.
Okay,
And I'm
sorry, you were
sure
saying something.
everybody can relate this. Yeah, I was saying कि this is not something which is new. I'm telling sharing here on this platform. Everybody faces every day. It just कई बार होता है ना. So what my motto in life is, why I have started creating these Instagram videos and motivational things and all, because मुझे लगता है कि we all know everything in our life. Because हम
Correct.
सब इतने mature तो हैं. It's just that you look for that आवाज कि कोई वो थर्ड बंदा, कोई थर्ड बंदी आकर आपको बोल के जाए, तब आपके कानों में घुसती है. So I
Right.
try to become that voice कि आपको सब कुछ पता है बट कई बार आप सुनना चाहते हो.
Correct. You are probably the narrator for millions of people's lives, so keep going strong on that.
Thank you. I'll definitely try to keep it doing because that interests me also.
No, and please, you should do things that interest you. Please, so carry on. carry on with the same vein, carry on with the same energy. I think you will reach wherever you want to reach. So no problems there.
I'm crossing my finger. Thank you.
Because, yeah. Right, so we are into the last segment. Let us talk about things that amaze you. I do know for sure that the upcoming Navratris and Durga Puja will amaze you, because I've seen a lot of those posts online. So I'm pretty sure
Yes.
that Durga Puja is going to amaze you. I do recall watching a lot of posts that you did regarding Mahashivratri as well. I'm sure that also amazes you.
Yes.
So, I mean, beyond spiritual inclination, beyond work, other experiences of travel, other experiences of solace, solitude, which have amazed you? And please feel free to answer this in the most elaborate of manners, because remember that any elaborate answer here will be an eye opener for millions of others who will watch. So, take it away.
Yes. So, thank you actually for giving me this opportunity, because I was waiting to talk about my traveling experiences and why I love traveling.
Interesting.
So,
Let's go.
yes. So I was a person who always afraid of having solo traveling and all. तो मुझे लगता था कि सोलो इज वेरी बोरिंग. सो बट देयर वाज अ टाइम ना, बिकॉज आप हमेशा हर कुछ चीजें ट्राई करना चाहते हो. तो इन 2023 आई शुड से there was an incident, there was a situation where I had to travel all alone. So that traveling experience is very, very interesting. Wahin se I have started doing my solo traveling. And why I have jotted down few points from there, that what are the benefits of having a solo travel. And solo traveling gives you a lot of good things.
Perspective. Yes.
Right, perspective. So मतलब solo traveling में ना, you become more mature, you become more aware about your things and all. उसके बाद you get to connect with the people for a very short time, but then you actually connect with genuine people. जो लोग ना, उन लोग को ये पता होता है कि there is no future, जो है present में. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं ना कि we should not think about future में क्या होना है नहीं होना है, be in the present moment, live your present moment. But वो हम सिर्फ बोलने के लिए बोलते हैं. But when you do solo traveling, you actually get to live that moment. You connect with people with whom that is very short time. You know that there is no future, of course. I don't know whether you'll be going to connect or not, but you enjoy. तो वो एक फायदा होता है. और ऐसा कनेक्शंस भी होता है कि वो आपसे इतना ज्यादा अमेज हो जाते हैं कि वो आपको घर पे भी इनवाइट कर लेते हैं. मतलब आई रिमेम्बर my first solo traveling experience, जहाँ पर initially तो I was very afraid of talking to anybody, because मुझे लगा कि strangers होते हैं, पता नहीं कैसे बात करना होता है and all that. But I am since very talkative, I cannot keep quiet. I have to do my chatterbox on. So I was like कि I was looking for people कि किनसे बात करी जाए. तो वो ही हुआ. और since I am very big foodie, तो I always carry food in my bags and all. तो traveling में भी मेरे पास था, तो food become a good connect point with everybody. I offered food to everybody, sweet and all, and then that's how I started talking. एक फैमिली वहां पर ऐसी थी, उन्होंने मुझे उतरते टाइम पे ऑफर करा कि सपना, सिंस यू आर इन दिस सिटी एंड वी आल्सो लिव हियर, सो टेक दिस एड्रेस एंड इफ यू एवर वांट टू विजिट टू अस, प्लीज डू विजिट. वी लव टू हैव यू एट आवर होम एंड तुम बहुत अच्छी हो, यू आर वेरी सॉर्टेड, तुम बहुत प्यारी हो. आई वॉज लाइक कि बस इतने कुछ घंटों में मैं इतनी प्यारी लग गई आपको कि आप मुझे अपने घर पे बुला रहे हो. तो वो हस्बैंड वाइफ और एक बेटा था. तो मुझे उससे ये समझ आया कि उस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट में उनको भी नहीं पता कि मैं उनसे मिलूंगी कि नहीं मिलूंगी, मुझे भी नहीं पता था. बट आपने कुछ अच्छी कनेक्शंस कनेक्ट करे, दैट मीन्स दैट गिव्स यू दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि सोलो ट्रैवलिंग में आप खुद भी अपने आप को संभाल सकते हो और साथ में जो लोग हैं वो भी संभाल सकते हो. उसके बाद व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग सोलो, you give more time to yourself. साथ में कोई होता है तो फिर आप चिटर पिटर करते रहते हो, you miss lot of opportunities, विंडो के बाहर देखना, सीनरी को एंजॉय करना. उसके बाद when you are traveling alone, आपको बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी आते हैं, बट आप उन चैलेंजेस को कोप अप करके कैसे लाइफ में आगे बढ़ पाते हो, अगले मूवमेंट में जा पाते हो, वो भी बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. तो सोलो traveling has become one thing which has amazed me, and I always look forward to have next trip to myself. But yeah, solo traveling में थोड़ा सा होता है कि मुझे बात करने को मिलता है, बट मैं अब तो strangers से भी बात कर लेती हूँ. So traveling is one thing which amazed me. Then
Okay.
there is Mahashivratri, which जैसे आपने बताया, that also amazes me. I always wait for Mahashivratri because I believe when we talk about love, so that is one love connection I know जो कोई भी गड़बड़ नहीं है उसमें. That is all
बिल्कुल.
set. So whenever I mean I get to see Mahashivratri का festival and all because बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है कि I'm busy, I'm not able to celebrate, but that
हाँ,
amazed me. उसके बाद
got it.
दुर्गा पूजा आई मेक श्योर दैट आई एम अवेलेबल विद माय फैमिली बिकॉज वो 4-5 दिन तो मैं बिल्कुल बागी हो जाती हूँ दैट देयर इज
Okay.
नो डाइट नथिंग जस्ट फूड एंजॉय एंड गेट टुगेदर शुड बी देयर उसके बाद
Right.
देयर इज होली ऑल्सो वन सेलिब्रेशन विच आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू सेलिब्रेट विद माई सिस्टर्स मतलब दैट
Uh-huh.
इज वन डे व्हेन आई डोंट गो इनटू द किचन आई डोंट डू एनी कुकिंग आई मी एंड माई सिस्टर्स आर ऑन द टेरेस पूरा दिन शाम को 5-6 बजे तक और वो एक बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टाइम होता है जब हम लोग को लगता है कि पता नहीं सारी बातें आ कहाँ से जाती है कि हम होली भी खेल रहे हैं पूरे दिन पानी में भी खड़े हैं और हम गप्पे भी मार रहे हैं हमें ठंड भी नहीं लग रही है बट उसके नेक्स्ट डे बुखार हो जाता है वो अलग बात है
Okay. Okay.
देन
हाँ, वो
वो
तो
भी
है.
एक
वही तो.
फेस्टिवल है
अच्छा.
तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो मेरी लाइफ में मुझे मतलब दैट हैज बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ अमेजमेंट इन माय लाइफ एंड दैट्स हाउ आई मीन दीज आर द things which I love doing. Cooking is also
Hmm.
one thing which is always kept me
What
going
is it?
because I love
Please,
cooking.
hmm. Please tell us about cooking because not a lot of people do a lot of cooking these days. I might be horribly wrong, but people prefer to do online ordering, and people are, I think, fastest. They play fastest fingers first on delivery apps. So how are
Yes,
you?
yes.
Live?
Yes, I have a surprise also. Very soon I'll be coming on social media platform and with
Okay.
some because there is one project I'm planning to start by myself. So that is completely into cooking. So very soon ऐसा कुछ होगा जिससे मतलब मुझे भी लोगों से और कनेक्ट करने का मौका मिलेगा and people will get to taste my food जो मैं बनाऊंगी. So, okay, so
Fabulous.
food की जो history है, I am Bengali, my father is a chef. तो वो शायद जीन में है कि मुझे कुकिंग का शौक पहले से ही था. So that is also okay. So cooking works for me like a stress buster. So whenever I have something going on in my head or I am full of questions and confusions, I go and hit the kitchen. खाना
Okay.
बनाते बनाते मुझे
Okay.
मुझे सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मिल जाते हैं. एक वो
अच्छा.
पार्ट है तो किचन और कुकिंग मेरा तो मतलब एक बहुत अलग सा कनेक्शन है लोगों को लगता है कि सपना प्रोफेशनली बहुत अच्छी है सपना वर्कआउट करती है सपना राइटिंग करती है इतना कुछ करती कुकिंग कैसे करती है सो व्हेन आई टेल दिस टू पीपल ना दैट आई कुक आल्सो तो दे लाइक ओ यू कुड डू कुकिंग आल्सो आई एम लाइक या आई कैन कुक वेल मतलब ऐसा क्यों तो लोगों को लगता है कि नो सपना कांट कुक बट जब वो खाते हैं तो उनको लगता है यार वाओ बहुत अच्छा है मतलब तुम खाना भी बना लेती हो so cooking is also one thing which works for me like a therapy and there is one more thing as I have mentioned about my workout sessions and all तो वर्कआउट के लिए भी there are people जो लोग बोलते हैं कि एक लेवल पे जाके वो रुक जाते हैं उनको लगता है कि नहीं इतना हो गया है और करने की जरूरत नहीं है but for I would like to tell to people that workout is something which actually helps you to clear your head. We don't do workout only for body transformation. Where once you start doing workout now, तो आपका stress buster हो जाता है. और एक बहुत अच्छी सी बात है जब आपको लगे ना कि अभी रुकना है वही पॉइंट है जहां से आपको शुरू करना है the moment you think that this is the point where I need to stop or I need to relax or something like that no that is the point God is saying बच्चे उठ जाओ खड़े हो जाओ this is the time from where you have to start this is the real struggle and the life lesson is going to start occurring in your life so that's how so these are all
Wow, so cooking is therapeutic, traveling is therapeutic, religious inclination, of course, gives you different perspective,
yes
and of course, and you continue to do whatever you do on social media. So that means, in the end, you are trying to be a jack of all trades and mastering everything. Amazing.
yes that is what I am trying to do or maybe I can add some more feather in my wings कुछ और भी अगर हो जाए तो
बिल्कुल. I think
never know.
2025 खत्म होने के पहले please add in a little bit more and after that, everything will work out for the best.
Absolutely. I am trying, जैसे मैंने बोला that कि मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए. I want to explore every industry, every idea. And in fact, I'll tell you about my working professional life as well.
Mhm.
I am actually fortunate enough to explore all the industries. You start
Okay.
naming from bank, insurance, real estate, financial and social media platforms, telemedia, every industry I've explored. So I feel very fortunate myself that मतलब 30-35 years की उम्र में मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें लर्न करी है. So there are people who see it this way कि अच्छा सपना तुमने किसी एक जगह पे मतलब एक्सेल नहीं किया है. So I tell them
Mhm.
कि I am very fortunate enough कि मैंने
Correct.
बहुत सारे जगह पे एक्सेल किया है.
Fantastic.
So this is what I mean how you see the things.
Yeah,
Positive
yeah.
देखोगे तो positive होगा.
Bilkul, bilkul. This is your perspective, and I think we are very fortunate to have heard everything that you said today. So thank you so much for being so upright, honest in your responses. I think by the end of the show, and I know we will have many more conversations after this, but
Absolutely.
I think maybe in 20 years you will probably have a Bharat Ratna in with your name.
Oh my God. I am
Please
crossing
aspire
my
towards it.
fingers.
Please aspire towards it. See, it can always happen, and in a country which
Yes, yes.
honors people with diverse thought processes and ways of living, I think worth it. Worth having something, a Bharat Ratna or something. Maybe you never know. See, the Lord works in mysterious ways, and it could just happen.
Absolutely.
Just let your beliefs be
Absolutely.
strong.
I mean, you have never thought of having something in your life and that certainly occurs like ऐसे करके बस यही सोचा था ना यही होने वाला है. So okay,
Yes.
I'll tell you one more interesting at the last कि
Please do it.
I am a person जो banking में कभी काम नहीं करना चाहती थी because I have
Acha.
seen people working in a government bank ना जैसे मतलब कुछ banks हैं ऐसे जहाँ पर ना
Uh-huh.
बचपन में मैं अपनी मम्मा के साथ जाती थी तो वो मुझे बहुत lethargic लगते थे कि यार क्या
Acha.
काम करते हैं एनर्जी नहीं है उनमें. So I always used to think when I was in school कि मैं बैंक में तो कभी नहीं नौकरी करूंगी and God has their different plans. उन्होंने मेरी फर्स्ट जॉब ही बैंक में लगवाई वो भी इतने
Very good.
ड्रामेटिकल वे में कि आई वाज लाइक कि वाओ व्हिच आई नेवर वांटेड वही मेरा स्टार्टिंग ग्रो निकला मतलब दैट्स हाउ मतलब लाइफ इज वेरी मिस्टीरियस.
Yes, and just keep praying for great things to come ahead. That's all. That's about
Yes,
it.
absolutely.
Super, Sapna.
Yeah.
I think I've taken a lot of your time, but thank you so much for being so candid. Thanks for being very open about how people can go ahead and approach their life, and most importantly, thank you for instilling confidence of traveling solo, cooking solo, and empowering others.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me once again on the show.
Super. We will speak soon and keep doing what you do regularly, which is
Absolutely.
which is
Absolutely.
amaze people. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll be back with another episode, another amazing person like Pihu, and keep watching the Lela Show. Take care. Thank you.